So over here you can see that I got three shapes, and let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and combine out these shapes together. So for that you can utilize something called the shape builder tool, which is located over here on the left hand side. So if I were to go around over here, you got the shape builder tool, and then you can see that I can go ahead and then select out the shape. But if you want to go ahead and combine the shape, first of all, you need to go to the selection tool and select the shapes first that you want to combine. And then you can go around over here onto the shape builder tool. And then if I were to click and drag this out right here, then what happens is that you can combine them out all together right here. So if I were to go around over here, let's say for example, this is the starting shape, and if you were to click and drag, then what happens is that you can see that this is what you have. And whatever shape you start with, that particular shape's color will be the dominant color when you combine out the shapes. Let me just go ahead and press Ctrl Z right here. And then apart from that, I can also subtract out the shape. Let's say for example, if I were to go ahead and click and drag this out, you can see that I can remove out the shapes right here, just like this as well. I can go ahead right here. So let me just go ahead right here, press Ctrl Z as well. And then what I can do is I can go around and create a new shape from the selected areas as well. For example, if I were to actually go around over here and then now do this, then what happens is that you can see a new shape has been created when I selected out that new shape option. Let me just select these out again and then go to the shape builder tool. And over here, you can see that I am in the freehand mode, meaning I can go ahead and create any a freehand drawing right here. But let me just go around over here just like this, and then go around over here from freehand to line. In that case, I can only make a straight line, as you can see right here, just like this. It does the same work, but just it's the line. And then apart from that, you also got the marquee, and you can go ahead and create a marquee line right here, just like this. So let's say for example, I got these shapes. Let me just go ahead and select it, and then go around over here onto the shape builder tool, go around over here onto marquee, and then if I were to click and drag it, you can see that whatever I select, they get combined out together just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with the shape builder tool inside of Affinity. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe